Hi, hello, buddies. I am RJ Shashinder, grade 7 from Primbats Garden School. This is the message from Savitri by Arabindo. This now become new portion of himself, the figure of his spirit's greater life, the moving scenery of his large time walk, or the embroidered tissue of his scene. This took the place of intimate human things and moved as close companion of his thoughts, or were his soul's natural environment. Thank you. Bye.
Hello buddies, நான் உங்க ஆர்ஜே தீக்ஷிதா, grade 6B from Primbats Garden School. Today's Karma Yogi Appa message. Physical destruction, passionate revolt, deep hatred, deep-seated disgust, disturbed sensitivity, sad depression, wounded pride, offended outrage, dislike, disapproval, non-sensitive physical memory lingering, the dead event refusing to dissolve are the stages through which the dissolution of ego passes. Thank you. Bye.
Hello everyone, I am your RJ Priyadarshini, grade 4A from Primbats Garden School. In this show, we are going to see some logical question and answer. If I have it, I don't share it. If share it, I don't have it. What is it? Answer. As a secret next. வாங்க விடுகதை பார்க்கலாம். பல பற்களும் இருந்து கடிக்க முடியாதது எது? யோசிங்க பார்க்கலாம். ஒரு சீப்பு. நன்றி.
Hi, hello buddies. I'm RJ Roslyn from Primbats Garden. Tomorrow's special World Food Day is celebrated every year on October 16th to mark the founding of the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations. The day raises awareness about global hunger, food security, and the importance of nutritious diets for all. It emphasizes working together to end hunger, reduce food waste, and ensure that everyone has access to safe and healthy food. The celebration also highlights the role of agriculture, farmers, and sustainable practices in feeding the world's growing population. In short, World Food Day reminds us to fight hunger, support farmers, and promote healthy, sustainable food for all. Thank you. Bye.